so much good now. I got permission to cut that. That's heavy. I could feel the ground shaking. Yeah, when it dropped, I could feel the ground shaking. You take motorbike there now.
Careful, my love. Not yet that.
Kalutan na niya. Kalutan kaya may bato ang blade.
Wait, my love, because they're going to get a machete, so they will digging under.
Yeah.
Because that chain is very sensitive with the stone.
Of course.
Look at
Smoking.
smoking.
That is very hard wood. Coconut. Well, that's that. There.
Yeah.
It's coconut.
Na, kinsa man yung mga lukay giputang direte. Ano yung mga lukay diri nay? Isugnon.
You take a motorbike here now?
Yep. Motorbike or
No.
Hi, Teacher Alma.
Where are you going, Antone?
Akong gipaputol dire. Nanangit kong apron.
We got permission to remove that.
Nayon si apron, okay. Kahas nang anon. Kuya, manay ko eh. Guys, nang anon, kuya kayo, senior citizen, mga na ba, madapa.
Ito,
Yeah.
very good. You're a
And
good citizen.
I was thinking, I said, Efren, we should get that gone because every time it rains, sometimes you step on that and don't realize. And
Hapit po na
so
pandalok ng
slippery.
bana, nagpasaan tawag bugat. Ya, luwi po guys ng ano, magkugos bata, mo anak pa. Anak.
Yeah.
Amo nang gihatod ang 5 kilos ko ng itang. Akong giinan sa Ma'am Alma gasuguan ni.
Nang Antone, na ako ito yung Antone, kapalit ko kong balas.
Antone! Ako
Wow.
inan.
Every time I tell Efren, I said, learn me some language. Okay, okay. And night time comes. I said, oh my God. Oh, what happened?
So tired.
Yeah.
Be careful. Be careful,
ka na inayos.
Yay! Good. Good, good, good. You take your motorbike here now.
Asa sundang?
Good. Take a motorbike.
Tugdod ni.
That's a firewood now. Firewood. Yeah. Chop it again. Chop it again right here, and split. Yeah.
Pagpatog silig ni Binay. Siligan na ka.
Efren, if you want to get it wider, to get a full bike, a side by side, you cut right here, or you can later, or you do it now, or whatever.
Motorbike is enough.
Motorbike is enough. Or, geez. Look going. Okay, Hercules. My God. Lord, geez. What?
I will buy green leaves vegetables.
Yeah.
Make it
Yeah. Green leaves vegetables. Yum. Ooh, your paper.
That's paper to try.
Well, the chainsaw is not smoking now. The chainsaw was smoking. It was smoking, getting hot.
Mama, kung ba nagdaganan ka nako. Kung ba nagdaganan ka nako. Akong ba na? Daganan ka nako na at naman ka na. Balik sa pagdaganan mo ba? Naduwa man siya. Turn.
Oh, that ground is on top of that. Oh, that is on top. So heavy.
Let's go. Ano? Siligan ra na. Magsilig ni mo. Asag silag. Look, kabate! No, that's not the right broom. Broom's like a witch.
Broom like a witch. What?
I got the witch broom here.
Ay, gusto nang palit daw.
Yeah, mapalit pa ka naman.